Come here, Lana. So hot today. Is it hot?
Yes. Yes, Dada. I would like some cucumbers.
You want to harvest your nice, cool, refreshing cucumbers?
Yeah.
Okay then, come in. Look how many cucumbers we have. You see them?
Yeah.
So many. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. The weather is extremely hot, so hot. I think the outside temperature today is about 35 degrees Celsius. It's one of the hottest May bank holiday we've ever had in this country. Today we're going to have a few cucumbers and we're going to give you a tour of the garden. Look at them. Beautiful, aren't they? Okay, put this in the basket. How many do you want, Ilana?
I think 4.
That's 4 already, but we got a lot more, look.
Maybe 6.
Maybe 6. And we're getting plenty of cucumbers. These are the mini cucumbers, I love them. Ah, look at this one. Wow. So we have 5 now. Shall I harvest one more?
Yeah.
Okay. That's your 6 cucumbers there. Oh, Ilana, I'm sweating. Shall we try a cold, refreshing cucumber?
Yeah.
Let's see how this tastes, okay? Try one. Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nothing better than homegrown cucumbers.
Huh?
So cool. Refreshing. Now let's give an update on the bottle gourd plant inside the greenhouse. MashaAllah, I'm happy that we have 3 bottle gourd on the plant. But looking at them, 2 of them looking a little bit bumpy. The shape is turning out to be a little bit funny. You see that, Ilana?
Yeah.
The shape of the bottle gourd is a little bit wavy, bumpy. And this one as well. But they look healthy. Now this could be due to irregular watering. When you grow stuff in containers inside the greenhouse, you need to water them regularly, and they need plenty of water. So I'm hoping another few days they should be ready for me to harvest. I need to give them plenty of water. The plant looks really nice and healthy, and we're getting plenty of female flowers and male flowers. So I'm hoping when these are ready for harvest, when we harvest these ones, we should get a few more. This is one of my chili plants. It's looking good, nice and healthy. And I planted this in a large, huge container. You think we'll get plenty of Naga chili on this one?
Yeah.
You like Naga chilies?
Not that much because it's so spicy.
Is it?
Yeah.
I love Naga chilies. I like spicy chilies. We have more chili plants inside the greenhouse, and mashallah, I'm getting chilies on them. These are the beautiful. What flowers are these, Ilana? Marigold?
Yeah.
These are the beautiful marigold. I like the color, they look beautiful. Tomatoes. Plenty of tomatoes, we're getting plenty of tomatoes. This is another Khodu plant, and this morning I hand pollinated this female flower. Hopefully this should turn into a large size Khodu. Now if you're growing stuff inside the greenhouse, don't forget to hand pollinate, because there are very few bees and insects inside the greenhouse. That's the chilies, green chilies, and plenty of tomatoes. Another couple of weeks we should have lots of tomatoes on these plants and lots of chilies. Should we go outside, Ilana, and show everyone what's happening outside? This is one of the shosha, sorry, that's kira, not shosha, this one. Bangladeshi kira, the round cucumbers. One of my favorite. And in fact, we have quite a few outside. Oh, that's the kira. Look, you see that round cucumber, baby cucumber there?
Yeah.
That's called kira, yes. It's one of my favorite actually. There's another kira plant here. Planted them in these large containers. Can you see that kira there? That's the kira. We're growing plenty of cucumbers this year, and mashallah, we're getting plenty of them. Tomatoes as always, lots of tomatoes. This is the tumbling Tom Red. You grow them in a basket, and they don't, the plant don't go huge. They stay to this size, and you get lots of tomatoes from them. These are eggplant, Bagan. There's two varieties I'm growing this year. One is the round Desi Bagan that I normally grow, and the long one. So the plants are doing really good, nice and healthy. These are Sim, Uri. I planted 4 plants in this container here. We need to build a trellis for it. This is bitter gourd. I planted out last week, and mashallah, I settled down. I'm going to trellis for the plant to trail onto. So I've got 3 plants on each trellis here. That's the second trellis with a couple more plants on it. Now this Naga chili plant starting to produce Naga chilies for us, and as you can see, the plant looks beautiful, mashallah. Plenty of flowers, and I saw a couple of Naga chilies on there somewhere. That's a Naga chili there. It's a beautiful looking plant. Look here, Lana, that's a beautiful looking kira there. Look, that's the kira.
This one?
Yes, that's the round kira, look. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I love kiras. I've got quite a few plants this year. And I planted most of them in containers, and I built a small trellis for it. And those two over there are Uri Sim, and they're looking gorgeous, I must say. The plant is looking healthy. Beautiful looking plant. A fig tree here which I planted last year, and mashallah is producing figs for us this year. Do you like figs?
Huh?
Fig?
Yeah.
They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Not too many on this plant, but about 7 or 8. Another one here. That's another one there. Oh, these are plums. So I'm really happy we're going to have a few plums this year. Strawberries, you see them?
Yeah.
Which is your favorite fruits?
I think it's strawberry.
Strawberries, okay.
Yeah.
Let's harvest a few strawberries. Should I help you?
Yeah.
Let's look, let me harvest this for you. Wow. Should I try one?
Yeah. It tastes good.
It's good?
It tastes sweet.
Sweet? Oh, that's nice. I like them with cream, fresh cream. Do you like them with fresh cream?
Yeah.
Okay, we can try it with fresh cream actually. There's more here, look.
Look, there's one.
Yeah, okay, you can harvest them. This is Sisinda. So I planted that last week and it's looking good. It has settled down. And I'm going to let this trail onto this trellis here. And as always, we have lots of flowers in the garden. Lana, you like the flowers?
Yeah.
They look beautiful, don't they? They look amazing. Dunya Fatah, coriander. Beautiful coriander. She's planted quite a lot. And they grow well in shade. So we planted them in these containers and left them in shade, not full sun. Corianders don't like full sun. Slowly the garden is coming alive. Now this is my bottle gourd plant. I only grow one bottle gourd on this trellis here. So one bottle gourd on this trellis. Mashallah is looking nice and healthy. And I planted this, I think it's about 7 or 8 days ago. And it's looking good. Hopefully another few weeks should have Khodu on this trellis. That's a cucumber plant. And a This is another Khodu plant here. I've got 2 of them here. I'm going to let that trade onto this fence here, and I put some netting on it. So you don't always have to have a trellis. You could have, if you're planting against the fence, put some netting with some canes so the plant can climb onto it. This is bitter gourd. Do you like bitter gourd?
Yeah.
Isn't it bitter for you? Isn't that too bitter for you?
It kind of is bitter.
But you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like bitter gourd. This is in there. And this is a bell pepper, red bell pepper. I only have 1 plant this year. I'm hoping to get a few peppers on this plant. Mashallah, it's starting to produce now. Now, when your peppers or chilies start to produce, use a fertilizer that has more potassium in it, like a tomato feed, and that should help you form more fruits, produce more fruits. Try strawberry?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hot. Really nice. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.